Hey everyone, Sakshi this side. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you all know, NIF 2025 results are out. So you guys might be sitting at your home wondering कि कौन सा college है, कौन सा campus, how is NIF Varanasi, वहाँ का campus, hostel, how is everything. So you are at the right place. I am Sakshi Narendra Totla from Fashion Design Department in NIF Varanasi, and today I am here to answer almost all your questions regarding NIF Varanasi. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in this video. So let's begin. So the first question was, what was my rank and what is my category? So I was in general category open. So we only had common merit rank. So my common merit rank was 2632. Okay, so the next question was, why did I choose NIF Varanasi and was it my first priority? So obviously it wasn't my first priority because last year it was the first campus. So obviously किसी को भी लगता है कि हम नए कैंपस में नहीं जाना चाहते हैं. So NIF Varanasi was not my priority, but fashion design was my priority. And मुझे मेरी रैंक पर शिलोंग श्रीनगर यही मिलता. And I didn't wanted to go शिलोंग श्रीनगर. इसीलिए I chose NIF Varanasi क्योंकि यहाँ पे हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ थी and it was convenient. मेरा ट्रैवल भी मैनेज हो रहा था. So that's why I decided कि मुझे NIF Varanasi जाना है because I feel you can compromise with your campus but you cannot compromise with your department because campus will stay with you for 4 years but department will be there for lifelong. So that's what I thought initially and इसीलिए मैंने NIF Varanasi choose किया and now here I am. Okay, so now about the campus. So the initial two questions were, how is the temporary campus of NIF Varanasi and what are the future plans of the permanent campus? So we don't have a temporary campus, we have our own campus. It is the building of Ministry of Textiles, and they have given us block C and D of it. So we have our own campus which is quite big and it's good too. Like we have majority of facilities in that. We have cafeteria, we have classrooms, we have math labs, we have FD labs, then we have library, which is the resource centers, and faculty staff rooms are also there. So most probably everything are there. A lot of you asked me about gym too. So पहले तो हमारा gym नहीं था, but before coming to our homes we gave the equipment list and शायद से वो order हो गया. तो most probably from this semester we'll have gym too in our campus, and we have a nice garden outside it, and we have basketball court, badminton court, and indoor games also. So like we have majority of things. We have different classrooms, VM labs, material labs, everything in our campus. So what's the vibe or environment of NIF Varanasi? So guys, initially we were only 89 kids, but we had a good vibe. We were like a family. We are like a family. The faculty is also very good. So how accessible is the campus in terms of location and transport? So in terms of location and transport, our campus is pretty good. We will get cabs, autos, or Rapido bikes, everything around it. We have small stores, everything, our cafeteria, cafes around our campus only. So it's a good place, hospitals too. Okay, so our next topic is, like the next questions are on departments and facilities. So we have 3 departments: FD, Fashion Design; FC, Fashion Communication; and FI, which is Fashion Interiors. You guys must know about Fashion Design and Fashion Communication, but FI, Fashion Interiors, is like the latest course, latest department in NIF, and it's only in NIF Varanasi. अभी ये बाकी किसी 18 centers में नहीं है, and ये last year ही हमारे batch के साथ में ही start हुआ था. It's almost similar to Fashion Interiors is almost similar to interior design, like 60% we can say. And then the next question was, how are the labs and studio facilities? So guys, labs and studio facilities हमारे पास में है. हमारे campus में labs और studios बने हुए हैं. जैसे कि मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था, सारे required labs जो है वो हमारे पास में है, हमारे campus के अंदर ही है. For next faculty, so we have good faculties, like they are supportive. Our mentorship, like our campus's mentorship is very good. They are very supportive, they're very interactive, and they all are from different NIF centers. Like some are from Patna, Raebareli, Jodhpur, NIF Shillong, NIF Bhopal, etc. Yeah, so in terms of department, courses, campus and faculty, labs, studios. You don't have to worry about it. In terms of these things, we are pretty good. We are self-sufficient, and आप easily join कर सकते हैं. Okay, so our next topic is hostel and living. So, do students get hostel accommodation? Yes, girls get the hostel accommodation. Sorry, guys, boys, we don't have hostels for you. But girls do have hostels, which is like 4 kilometers away from our college, and hostel to college, college to hostel, college की ही बस होती है, so travel का कोई issue उसमें नहीं आता है. Is the hostel safe for girls? Yeah, it is safe for girls. जो building है like पूरा apartment है, हर floor पे security guard होते हैं, नीचे security guard बैठे होते हैं, floors पे female security guard और नीचे male security guard gate पर. वार्डन मैम होती है. एंड फूड, हाउ इज़ द फूड? सो वी गेट 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Food is pretty good, like better what I had in my like earlier boarding school. It is far better than that. So yeah, food is good. Travel will have, then we have common rooms where we have TV, washing machine, microwave, inductions, press table, all these facilities. We also have walker and treadmill. We don't have a official like proper gym अभी, but hopefully इस semester से gym भी बन जाएगा, campus का भी और hostel का भी. Then are there good PG options around the college? So yeah, there are some good PG. I would not say PG. There are flats का option है, क्योंकि मेरे कुछ friends हैं जो flats और PGs में रहते हैं. So yeah, you don't have to worry about accommodation. Accommodation is quite good over there. The hostel is safe. The campus is safe. Yeah. And how are the hostel rooms and facilities? So facilities I told you, and जो hostel के rooms है वो per room में 2 girls, like double sharing वाला है. What kind of events or fest does NIFT Varanasi organizes? Guys, NIFT organizes almost every event and every festival. Like we celebrate almost all the festivals in our college. Then the major event, like the biggest event of each campus of NIFT is Spectrum, जो annual fest होता है पूरा, which is like 2 दिन का पूरा, which is very good. उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है. Fashion show, sports, literary activities, सारे competitions सब होते हैं. Then and make DJ night, everything is very good. Then we have Converge, which is inter-NIFT competition. And क्योंकि हमारे पास बच्चे कम हैं, like अभी 89 है and अभी तुम लोग आओगे तो chances थोड़े से ज़्यादा होते हैं. And trust me, Converge, Spectrum and other events, they are very fun. Like I was there in the last Converge and it was very fun. It is competitive, it is fun. Overall NIFT के सारे events are very good and you don't have to worry about fest and events in NIFT. Then how is the crowd and peer groups? So yeah, the crowd and peer groups are very nice. We have people from all over the India and it is quite good. Are there student clubs and committees? Yeah, we have like around 6 clubs, which you will get to know when you will join the college. So clubs hai, committees hai, president, secretary, class representative, everything is there. So a lot of you ask me, will I suggest this campus to you or will I ask you to go for a better campus? So obviously, if you get any better campus from like of your choice, of your willingness, like department भी मिल रहा है, campus भी कोई और मिल रहा है, so you can go for it. But अगर वाराणसी की बात है, and you guys are dicey about वाराणसी, कि वाराणसी आए ना आए, so I'll definitely suggest कि वाराणसी आ जाओ. Varanasi as a place is a nice place. In my personal experience at NIFT, so my experience was very good. My first year का journey was very nice. बहुत कुछ हुआ, अच्छा बुरा. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. I went to Converge. For that I went to Panchkula. Then we did Spectrum. उसमें हमने बहुत सारा management किया, बहुत कुछ सीखा, sponsorships लाए. And marks, juries, पहला jury, कोई senior भी नहीं था. But everything was pretty good and I'll always suggest कि NIFT Varanasi is a good campus. You can definitely join it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.